A good bullish month has come to an end for you, and we had discussed and predicted it last month also that to the moon in June, and precisely it has achieved a good higher levels at 34,380. In fact, earlier it has seen 34,600 levels also before retracing. So now what to expect in the month of July? It is going to fly high, or we can see a retracement, and if yes, which position you should take and at what levels, not only next week but also for the complete month of July. We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels to watch out for. So do watch till the end, and before leaving the video just press the like button and do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. Also you can press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily analysis and targets which I share for Dow Jones before the US session. And you can also get the live market updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the daily chart. See, the bottom was formed here at around 33, 32, you can say 600 or 800 zone. Since then, we have seen a very good rise. Then this was the retracement. Now the next bottom is formed at around 33, 600, 700 levels. Now forming the bottom here, now again looking forward to rise. So is this the beginning of a second rally? Possibly yes, as it is still trading in this bullish channel. Now as the time or the daily candle passes by, you can see the highs of this channel now lying at around 35,500 levels if it continues to stay bullish from here. Now let's take a granular look here. You will find first it has to break past by the double top levels from the last to last week's high, which means it has to stay above 34,600 levels, and also these levels are important. As you can see here, multiple candles getting rejected at 34,500, 600 levels on the daily charts, and in fact even if it has breached, it has showed a very good pullback, and hence I will be definitely watchful of how it behaves at around 34,500, 600 levels. At the same time, one must not forget on the downside, now it has created a very good base at around 33,600, 800 levels. So till the time 33,600 is respected, we should not treat this as bearish at all. Now the second point here is, see, higher lows, higher highs trying to trade in this channel. The highs of this channel now lying at around 35 for 35,000 levels, and hence if it stays above 34,600, certainly the target is going to be 35,000 levels. Now this is just on the daily charts. Let's take a look at the weekly. On the weekly charts, after forming the bottom here, we have seen a very good recovery. Higher highs have been seen then. Now after forming the high, see the bull here and see the flag here. This is the pole, this is the flag. This is given a breakout on the weekly charts here. And this breakout, I expect it to sustain for a while from here. Possibly US30 can try to hit at least 35,000 levels for once. This is very good resistance. Then 35,500 zone, and then we may see it breaking past the all-time high levels or forming a double top there. So first thing is it has to stay above 34,600, then 35,000 first target, then 35,500 levels also cannot be denied. It can continue with an upward move. Now second point here to look at, now see this was the base recovery here, flag formation here, and then this breakout. Also the second point here is the double bottom here in the near term, V-shaped recovery here, and now again staying bullish. Now if you look at this channel, it is trying to create a bullish channel on its own. First resistance should be at 35,000. In fact 35,000 and 36,000 zone cannot be denied. If it stays above 34,600, definitely more bullishness is going to prevail. Now on the downside, even if 33,500, 600 levels are taken, we may see 33,000 is the next stronger support. Only below 33,000 you can consider that now double top here with a slightly higher high is done, and it can retrace on the downside till towards 32,000 levels, and hence now the next week is going to be the decisive factor, or will be the time period where it is going to decide the direction for a little while, which it is going to take for the month of July. That has next week is going to remain a very strong breakout point. Now coming to the monthly, likewise on the monthly chart, the drop, the retracement, now sideways movement is still, let it give a breakout. The next candle, if it starts above 34,400 levels, stays above 34,600, certainly you can say that we are going to look forward to a good bullish candle from here, taking it till towards 35,000, 35,500. In fact can take it further highs towards 36,000 levels also. Possibility exists from here. 36,000 is not far away from here, only 1600 points. And if you count this candle as the first bullish candle, the second increasingly bullish candle might take it above 36,000 levels, and in fact all time high levels can be expected if it stays continuously bullish from. Hence, the month of July is going to be an important decision factor for the next direction for US30. Now, let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? If you look at the indicators on the monthly charts, all the moving average, all the three moving averages are trading parallel. It's still bullish. One, you can say, stacked together one over other, indicating bullishness. Also, see the 20 period moving average, 20 months moving average lying close to 33,000 levels, making it a great support. Now, see, we have seen the prices converging here. Now again starting to diverge. So possibly more bullishness may prevail. The monthly stochastic has also dropped. Now trying to look upwards. Also look at the MACD. This is willing to cross over for a buy entry. You can see since 2010, you will find since last 15 years, this is the baseline which US30 has always supported on MACD on the monthly charts, and hence a possible crossover from here may bring near-term bullishness. RSI has also started to look upwards. Coming to the week, now on the weekly chart, see the divergence on the moving average. This is a very good sign when the moving averages have started to diverge. Now see the support again 33,500, 33,300, and then till towards this zone is very strong, that is 32,800, 700 levels. Now prices right now are divergent from the moving average, and hence this complete zone till towards 33,500 to 35,000 is what we have to look forward to. Stochastic very near to overbought levels. The MACD have crossed over, trading with little divergence on the weekly charts, and there is still possibility for it to rise further. It is almost flat and trading with a slight positive bias. RSI has also started to look upwards. Coming to the daily, now on the daily charts also the movement is same. The moving averages are trading with divergence. Good bullishness is seen here. But one thing to observe, see, it will take further bullish candles for moving average to consistently continue on an upward direction. So what we can expect if it breaks out on the upside above 34,500, 600 zone, certainly 35,000, 35,500, it will try to achieve in a hurry such that the moving average start to trade with divergence looking upwards, and at those levels or maybe at all time high levels we'll see how it behaves, because see the divergence of the price will always increase the chance for a pullback here, and then might be 34,500 levels will come out to be a greater support at those levels, and hence you have to watch out for next this week how it behaves. Stochastic on the weekly charts or daily charts is overbought. At the same time, the MACD is willing to cross over, see first wave, second wave, and now looking upwards here. A crossover here certainly brings more bullishness. RSI is also looking upwards, indicating slight bullishness here. Now, considering this, we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you for next week and the month of July. And before we proceed to the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 10th of July. Couple of seats are left. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals channel where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now for next week, I will recommend you to buy here at 34,420 levels, but then expect 34,500 major resistance, 34,600 major resistance. Now this is the zone where it is going to get maximum resistance. You have to watch out how it behaves at 34,600 levels. Beyond this, I will expect 34,800 and 35,000 levels directly. And if it stays above 35,000 levels, the chances for 35,500 will increase. Possibly it can try to achieve these levels in a hurry, and from those levels a little retracement cannot be denied, because this is a sign of bullishness. It tries to achieve or rise in a faster way and then retrace in a small, you can say slow pace, such that the indicators can cool down. Now this is where I am looking forward to a little rise here, and beyond 35,000 levels certainly more bullishness may prevail. In fact, you can look at 36k in the month of July, and all time high levels cannot be denied. Only thing is it has to stay above 34,600, 800 levels for it to continue with the bull run. On the Dow, now remember these are markets neither yours nor mine. They run on their own terms, and hence if you see it dropping on the downside, do not shy away from taking a sell entry, and I will recommend you to take a sell entry at 34,350 itself. Beyond that, 34,200 is the major support, and then 34,100. If these two levels are taken, then only you can say that a little more bearishness can be expected below 34,100. Directly it will try to land at 33,900 and then 33,800 level. These two are very good supports, and if it does break pass by, you can expect 33,600 and 500 levels. Now only bearishness which I will expect in Dow Jones is if it trades below 33,500 levels, there is going to be further bearishness here, which might take the price still towards 33,000 and 32,800 levels. Though the chances are less that it is going to drop till towards these levels, however, these are markets, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss always and always. If you are taking a positional entry for the complete month or for week, you should always put a trailing stop loss or keep shifting your stop losses to these resistance levels, such that at least in case of a reversal, your trade closes in a modest profit or without any loss at least. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.